a girl-loving food on Chincoteague at my favorite Mexican taco place on the island, Lily's. Her food is amazing, and I know most of you know that because it's always busy here. It's always crowded here. It's next to Island Dog and next to Woody's and across from Famous. So you're on Maddox Boulevard. Coming out of the circle, it'll be on your left. Going down towards the beach, it'll be on your right. Right now, summer hours. They are here 7 days a week. So, yep, Mexican food, and she is from Mexico. So this is true, authentic Mexican tacos. They've got vegetarian. They've got your traditional tacos. I'm going to go look at the menu real quick. The music is always jamming here. So.
Okay, yeah, you can use that. Don't worry. Yeah, we're going to use that.
Lots to choose from.
All right, take it.
And then they've got the drink case. And then the vegetarian menu. And the kids menu. So they are open 7 days a week, 11 a.m. to I think 7 p.m. They will, once summer starts to wind down, they will go back to their Mondays and Thursdays closed. But if you are looking for authentic Mexican food here on Chincoteague, you definitely want to hit up Lily's. One of the best food trucks on the island as far as my opinion, and I know that doesn't get you much, but anyway, I love her food. I actually ordered the pulled pork taco and the carne asada. Love both of them. Her shrimp taco and her shrimp quesadilla are amazing, and her Mexican rice is so good. I forgot to tell them no beans. Oh well, anyway, so Lily's 7 days a week right now in the heat of the summer. Come on out, give them a try. You will not be disappointed. You will go home, your taste buds will thank you, your belly will thank you, and you will leave full because her food is amazing. So come check out Lily's and have a great day. Girl loving food on Chincoteague.